Hello children. The previous session we will be continuing from the 26th one now. What is this question? 26th one. Which of the following vitamins prevent the disease of bleeding gums or scurvy? Which of the following vitamins, okay, are going to prevent the disease of bleeding gums or scurvy? Okay, and the options are vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin K and vitamin D. Okay, so this is answer is vitamin C, children. Like citrus fruits, like you have lemon, you have citrus fruits, oranges. No, so these type of fruits if you take in your food, then you will be protected from this disease like bleeding gums or scurvy. Clear? Now 27th question. Which of the following is used to know the rate of heartbeat in our body? So if you go to doctor, children, the doctor is going to test your heartbeat. No. So from these four instruments, okay, so which is going to used to check the rate of our heartbeat? So what is it? So you have got a stethoscope, you have got a microscope, you have got a telescope and you have got a binocular. So which one is going to used? Yes, that is A, that is stethoscope. Clear, children? Now 28th question. A teacher while taking a class of teeth said that you have 4 sets of teeth. That is 4 sets of teeth. What are they? 8 incisors, 4 canines, 8 premolars and 12 molars. He is talking about what? So what type of teeth? Are they temporary teeth, permanent teeth, teeth of a child, or both A and C? That is temporary teeth and also teeth of a child. Okay, and this answer is permanent teeth. So when you have this permanent teeth, you will be having totally 32 teeth. No, 32 teeth. So where this number is going to match. Clear, children? Now 29th question. Which doctor is consulted when we have a toothache? Which doctor is consulted when we have a toothache? So where do you go? If you have a problem with your teeth, where do you go, children? To a dentist, cardiologist, surgeon. Surgeon spelling, children, it is O-N. Sorry, it is misprinted here. And nephrologist. Okay, and the answer is dentist, A option. Clear? Now the 30th question. Which of the following microbes grows on dead and rotting things? Which of the following microbes grows on dead and rotting things? So is it virus, protozoa, algae or or fungi? So you will be having some microbes. So some, if you are throwing some dead things, like if you have a dead rat, dead cat, dead dog, okay, on the streets, and some rotten things also, no, you'll have some microbes growing on that. So what are they? Are they virus, protozoa, algae or fungi? Okay, answer is that is fungi. Clear, children? D option. 31st question. The teeth that are used for cracking hard food are. The teeth that are used for cracking hard food are. What are they? Are they molars, premolars, canines or incisors? How do we crack, children, the food? With which teeth? With which teeth? So cracking the food is with, tearing is with canines, cracking the food is with molars. Okay, molars is the answer. 32nd question. In the diagram given below, the teeth marked X are called. So these teeth, okay, X. So you have to identify these teeth which are behind the canines. These are the canines. Okay, So which are behind the canines. So what are these? Are they molars, premolars, incisors or canines? Okay, they are premolars. Clear? Premolars. They are premolars and behind them this 1, 2, 3, these teeth are molars. Clear children? Now 33rd question. Which kind of teeth is used for cutting food? Cutting food. Which teeth we are going to use? Is it incisors, canines, premolars and molars? And the answer is incisors. Cutting the food is incisors. See, incisors sound like scissors. No, the spelling is different, but it sounds, the pronunciation sounds like scissors. Why do we use scissors, children? To cut something, to cut the cloth or to cut something. No. So you can just remember with this sound of this word. Incisors is for cutting the food. Canines is for tearing the food. Molars is for again cracking the food. Clear children? Now 34th question. Which of these when added makes bread and cakes fluffy? So if you see a cake, children, so before getting our cake or bread, they'll not be fluffy. Okay, so when we mix all the ingredients to make a bread and cake, it's in a normal shape. But after getting ready, if you see, so they have fluffed and you get a very sponge type of texture. So which of these is going to get this fluffiness? Options are bacteria. Sorry children. Options are what? They are bacteria, viruses, protozoa and yeasts. Okay. And the answer is yeast. So you'll have one substance which we call as yeast, children. So which we are going to add that particular substance in making bread and cake, so that you will get that sponge type of texture. It is going to be fluffy. Okay, so you call it as yeast. So if you have it in your houses, you can ask your mother, so she can show you like what exactly the yeast looks like. Okay children. Now the 35th question. The teeth that are well developed in carnivores are. The teeth that are well developed in carnivores are. And the answers are incisors. These are options. Canines, premolars and molars. Okay. So in carnivores are what? Flesh eating animals. No. So when they fresh eating animals, in the sense they have to tear the food. They have to tear the food. So we need canines. We need canines for them. So well developed teeth are what? Canines. B option. Clear children? Now 36th question. The total number of premolars in our jaws are. The total number of premolars in our jaws are. So how many you were having? In the before questions also we have learnt that. So we'll be having 8 premolars in our jaw. In our jaws. Okay, 8 premolars. Clear children? So in the upper jaw we have 4. In the lower jaw we have 4. So we'll be having totally 8 premolars. 37th question children. The surface of the hardest layer on a tooth is the dash. The surface of the hardest layer on a tooth. What is it? Is it enamel, dentine, cavity and both A and B? Okay. So what is that hardest layer on the tooth? That is enamel. Clear? Now 38th question. Penicillin, an antibiotic, is obtained from. So penicillin is one type of medicine children, which is an antibiotic, is obtained from bacteria, viruses, fungi and protozoa. So what is it? It is from fungi. Clear? Now 39th question. Which of these cause dandruff on your scalp? Which of these cause dandruff on your scalp? So many of us we'll be having this dandruff, we'll be suffering with this dandruff on our scalp, where we feel the itchiness, where we have the hair fall. No, so this is caused because of what? Fungi, viruses, protozoa and bacteria, and the answer is fungi. Clear, children? Okay, now 40th question is, the gas thrown out of the body in the process of respiration is, the gas thrown out of the body in the process of respiration. So what is that? So we are going to breathe in one type of gas, we are going to breathe out the other type of gas. So what is the gas which is thrown out of the body when we are going to respire? Is it oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide or hydrogen? And the answer is C, children, carbon dioxide. Will take in oxygen, will throw out carbon dioxide. Clear? Now 41st question, anemia is a disease caused due to lack of dash. Anemia, like without having any strength, not feeling energetic, feeling very weak. Okay, so this is called as anemia. Okay, and even blood levels also will be less. So this is anemia. So this is a disease which is caused due to lack of what, without, because we do not have this particular substance, we will be having anemia. What is that substance? Is it calcium, iron, iodine or potassium? And it is iron. Okay, children, iron. So that is why you have to eat iron products, iron related products good, so that you will be protected with this disease anemia. Clear? Now the 42nd question, which one of the following organs helps in digesting food? Which one of the following organs helps in digesting food? So what is that? So you are having a heart here. This is liver. Okay, liver, stomach and all that which is above the stomach. This is kidneys and this is the brain, which is going to help us in digesting the food. So B option is the correct one. Clear, children? Now which one of the following is called body building material? Body building material, where you will have the growth for your body, development of your body. So which of this food substance is going to build our body? Is it carbohydrates, fats, proteins or vitamins and minerals? Okay, and the answer is what? Proteins. C option. That is, like if you eat milk, egg, fish, meat and all that, so these are going to help you to build your body. Clear, children? Now 44th question, taste of a food can be detected by which of the following sense organs? Taste. How can we detect the taste? Feel the taste. Okay. Is it by eye, ear, nose, tongue? All these four are sense organs. Which sense organ is going to detect the taste, children? Obviously tongue. That is D option. Fifth question, children. If a child is given fat rich food on a daily basis, what will happen to him? No. So if any of you have given, are given fat rich food, okay, daily if you take fat rich food, what is going to happen? Okay, so is he going to become healthier, or he will become active, he will become weak, or he will become obese? So the answer is obese. So you are going to put on your weight. So fat substances like cheese, butter, oil, nuts, so these type of substances are very rich in fat. You have to take it compulsory for your body, but not on daily basis and not in larger quantities. No. So once you take it on daily basis, what will happen? You are going to gain your weight. You are going to become fat. Again, which is not good for your health. Okay, this gaining weight, that is more than required weight. So for your age, for your height, you need a particular weight. If you are more than that particular weight, then we call it as obese. No, obesity. Clear, children? So this is going to occur you. That is, you are going to become obese, which is again not good for our health. Clear, children? Now, 46th question is, protective food items are rich in dash nutrients. Protective food items are rich in dash nutrients. So fill in the blank with the appropriate choices. So protective foods which are going to protect our body from diseases. No. So what how they are rich in which nutrients? In carbohydrate, proteins, vitamins or minerals. Okay. Then the answer is vitamins. Like even before also we said that vitamin C is going to protect you from bleeding gums, no, scurvy. Okay, so like this we have so many vitamins in our food, children, like vitamin A, B, C, K, D and all that. So all these vitamins are going to protect us, okay, from so many diseases. Okay, so vitamins are, that is protected food items are rich in vitamins. Okay, vitamins. Clear, children? Now, 47th question. Lung is a part of which one of the following system? Lung is a part of which one of the following system? Lungs, we have lungs? No. So, in which system do we have this? Either in nervous system, respiratory system, excretory system or digestive system. So, the answer is B, children. Okay, in respiratory system, because respiratory system is nothing but lungs, nose, no, lungs, nose. So that is why we have this as a part of respiratory system. And 48th question, what is the color of the blood? So very easy question for you. What is the color of the blood? Is it white, yellow, red or pink? It is red, children. Clear? Now, so 49th question, dash carries oxygen to all parts of body. So what carries oxygen to all parts of body? Is it hand, mouth, air or blood? Okay, the answer is blood. So we have learned that. So throughout the body we will be having blood vessels, children. So where the blood is flown from the heart to all parts of the body and again from all parts of the body to the heart. No. So this blood is going to carry oxygen to all parts of the body. Clear? Now, 50th question. Which organ pumps the blood? Which organs pumps the blood? Is it heart, liver, neck or legs? And the answer is heart. Clear? 51st question. The blood flows to different parts through. Just now I said the blood flows to different parts through. Just now we discussed about this sentence. So through what? Pipes, blood vessels, taps, none of these. So the blood flows to different parts of body through blood vessels. Clear, children? Now, 52nd question. Which organ covers the windpipe to prevent the entry of food in windpipe while eating food? So while eating food, so which organ is going to cover the windpipe so that it is going to stop the entry of food in windpipe? What is it? Is it ears, nose, esophagus or epiglottis? And the answer is D, children, epiglottis. Okay, this is going to stop the food to enter into the windpipe while we are eating food. Clear? Now, 53rd question. Out of these, identify an excretory organ. Excretory organ. Okay, where we have this particular organ in the excretory system. which is going to filter our waste and is going to throw out the waste materials from our body to outside. Okay, is it nose, hair, eyes or kidneys? And the answer is kidneys, children. Clear? Now 54th question, which system do kidneys belong to? Which system do kidneys belong to? Okay, is it digestive, respiratory, circulatory and excretory? So kidneys are internal organs. No, so before question only we have discussed about this. So to which system do they belong? Sorry, they are belonging to excretory system. Clear? And the last question for today, children, which system do lungs belong to? Lungs. Okay, where the gases are going to exchange. No? So lungs. What gases? Which we breathe the air and we breathe out the air. No, that particular gases, oxygen and carbon dioxide. So which system do lungs belong to? Is it digestive, respiratory, circulatory or excretory? And the answer is respiratory. Clear, children? Okay, hope you have understood all these questions and answers. So that's all for today. We are going to continue in the next session. So until then, take care, stay well and goodbye.